This is a full immersion blender, blending stuff, and we're going to crush these things here in a minute. You have different heights. You can get a 300 millimeter, a 400 millimeter, and a 500 millimeter, so any size you want. The blender itself comes in 500 watts, 350 watts, 220 watts, and you can either get a fixed speed or a variable speed. This is a variable speed. So let's have some fun. Slide this on here. Maybe. Tighten that on. It's kind of a little complicated to get it going, but it's very safe. There's a safety button. Can't do anything, see? Can't do anything unless you got the safety on. So you push the safety at the same time, then you can turn it on. And then, if you don't want to hold it all day, you got a lock button. Okay, take your blender, variable speed. Yeah, I like that. Blending that right up there. Turn it off is easy. All you gotta hit is the on-off button. Whole thing turns off. And then you gotta start all over again. Look at how wonderful that looks. That is great stuff.